Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad with only vegetables. Start by washing your produce thoroughly and laying everything on a clean cutting board. Chop vegetables into similar sizes for balanced texture, then arrange them in a large bowl for easy tossing. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Keep it simple and enjoy fresh flavors with minimal fuss and cleanup. Choose a variety of vegetables to create contrast in every bite, like crisp cucumbers and tender tomatoes. Aim for leafy greens, crunchy roots, and a juicy option so each forkful feels interesting. Consider color and flavor balance to make the salad both appealing and satisfying. If you like heat, add thin slices of chili or radish. If you prefer mild, stick to cucumbers and sweet peppers for a gentle profile. Make a simple dressing with oil, acid like lemon or vinegar, and a touch of sweetener for balance. Whisk or shake in a jar to emulsify, then add salt and pepper to taste. Toss the vegetables gently so the dressing coats everything without crushing tender leaves. Let the salad rest 5 minutes for flavors to meld, then retaste and adjust seasoning before serving to ensure bright, balanced flavor throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.